Tired of inaccurate readings or struggling with the wrong electrical tools? Choosing the right clamp meter can make your work faster, safer, and way more efficient. In today's video, we've picked 5 powerful clamp meters, from budget-friendly options to advanced multifunction tools with True RMS and smart features. Whether you're a beginner or a pro electrician, this list will help you find the perfect tool for your needs. Let's get started. Number 1. Owon CMS 1013 in 1 clamp meter. The Owon CMS 101 is a multifunctional clamp meter designed for advanced electrical testing. It combines 3 tools in one device: a clamp meter, oscilloscope, and data recorder, making it highly versatile for professionals and technicians. With a 1000 AC/DC current measurement capability, it handles both high and low current tasks efficiently. This device includes an integrated oscilloscope, allowing users to analyze waveforms directly on the screen. This is especially useful for diagnosing complex electrical issues. The Bluetooth connectivity feature enables real-time data transfer to mobile devices, making monitoring and recording more convenient. It is powered by a rechargeable 18,650 lithium battery, providing long operating time without frequent battery replacement. The NCV, non-contact voltage, detection adds extra safety by allowing users to detect voltage without direct contact. The display is clear and easy to read, and the overall build quality feels durable for regular field use. This clamp meter is ideal for professionals who need advanced features, accuracy, and multifunction capability in a single compact tool. Number 2. UNI-T UT210E/UT202A/UT204 Plus Clamp Meter. The UNI-T UT series clamp meters are designed for reliable and precise electrical measurements. These models support both AC and DC current measurement, making them suitable for a wide range of applications including home, industrial, and professional use. They function as voltmeters, ammeters, and multimeters, providing flexibility in one device. The compact design of models like UT210 makes them easy to carry and ideal for tight working spaces. The clamp design allows current measurement without breaking the circuit, improving safety and convenience. These meters offer stable readings and good accuracy, ensuring dependable results during testing. The display is clear and the controls are simple, making them user-friendly for both beginners and experienced electricians. Some models include additional features like temperature measurement, continuity testing, and data hold function. The overall build quality is solid, ensuring durability in daily use. This series is a practical choice for users who need a reliable, affordable, and versatile clamp meter for everyday electrical work. Number 3. HT208A/D True RMS Clamp Meter. The HT208A/D clamp meter is built for high precision and professional level measurements. It supports AC/DC current measurement and features True RMS technology, which ensures accurate readings even with nonlinear electrical loads. This meter is capable of measuring capacitance, resistance, frequency, and voltage, making it a complete multimeter solution. The NCV function allows safe voltage detection without direct contact, adding an extra layer of safety during operation. The design is robust and suitable for both field and workshop environments. Its clamp allows easy current measurement without interrupting the circuit. The display is clear and provides stable readings for better analysis. With high measurement accuracy, this device is suitable for advanced troubleshooting and detailed electrical diagnostics. It is particularly useful for technicians dealing with complex electrical systems. Overall, the HT208A/D is a powerful and precise clamp meter designed for users who require reliability, multiple measurement functions, and consistent performance. Number 4. HABOTEST HT206 Series Clamp Meter. The HABOTEST HT206 series clamp meters are designed for practical, everyday electrical testing. These models support AC/DC current measurement up to 600A, making them suitable for both household and light industrial applications. They feature a 2-color backlight display, which improves visibility in different lighting conditions. The NCV function allows users to detect voltage safely without touching the wire, increasing safety during operation. These clamp meters also function as voltmeters and ammeters, providing essential measurement capabilities in one device. The controls are simple and easy to understand, making them accessible for beginners as well as professionals. The build quality is durable, and the included leather case helps protect the device during transport. The clamp mechanism works smoothly, allowing quick and efficient current measurement. Overall, the HABOTEST HT206 series is a reliable and user-friendly option for those who need a practical, affordable, and efficient clamp meter for regular use. Number 5. UNI-T 1000A True RMS Clamp Meter. The UNI-T 1000A True RMS Clamp Meter is a high-capacity device designed for heavy-duty electrical work. It supports up to 1000A current measurement and 1000 V voltage testing, making it suitable for industrial and professional environments. With True RMS technology, it provides accurate readings even in complex electrical systems with fluctuating signals. It also includes inrush current measurement, which is useful for analyzing startup currents in motors and appliances. Additional features like LPF, low-pass filter, help improve measurement accuracy by reducing noise interference. The clamp design allows safe and non-invasive current measurement. The display is clear, and the controls are well organized for efficient operation. Its sturdy construction ensures durability under demanding conditions. This clamp meter is ideal for professionals who need high precision, advanced features, and the ability to handle large electrical loads. It offers strong performance and reliability for complex electrical testing tasks. I share helpful videos for you every day. So, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications. You'll find all product links and updated prices in the description below. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I'm ready to reply. We've done our personal research to save you both time and money. Our top 5 list is carefully made based on ratings, reviews, quality, and durability. So, you can confidently choose the best product.